So, pasensya na sa English, okay? Hello, uh, good morning everyone. For those people are watching me now, my life, my dialysis ups and downs. Although, usually, I'm okay and because I'm every other day dialysis. I recommended here my I recommend my the other sticker. Can you please buy? And really big help in my health. I'm Liberada Shreya, Filipina, and 14 years in counting by yan.